Irina. Be superlative, Samsung Book 9 line, it's PT redefined. TJ, as the LaSalle players were coming down, Jaron Tang was looking at the bench. There was a little bit of confusion. He went to one player, then went to another. That's part of the panggulat.
The coach Pido Arencio. And Jason Perkins says, okay, you want to guard the inside? I can for this first-year player of the Green Archers.
Abante ng tatlo ang DLSU sa panimula ng ating laro. Ito na isa sa mga mismatch. Jarek Tang answers back.
And speaking of the hot shooters, it's been Jarek who's been consistent for USD in games 1 and game 2. Starts off today, ma-check na ni Kevin Fred yung kanyang mga drive like that. It's going to help them a lot defensively.
DLSU gets it back. Another tap. Abdul against Perkins. Abdul goes all the way.
What a play by Karim Abdul. Coach Pido egging him on.
DJ, they sent, especially from a rebounding standpoint.
Absolutely, rebounding and defending inside of the attacks of the bigs of LaSalle.
What a move. The first LaSalle player out is being able to get inside. Is it just his individual skills?
Magaling talaga individually to penetrate and get by the defenders. He finds a way. He's a good sidestep drive guy.
Ferrer gets it to go.
And the thumb wag is back for Kevin Ferrer.
And that was at the end of their shot clock, DJ. Big shot, big assist by Mariano.
He's only been playing 8 minutes in game 1, 8 minutes in game 2.
High up for the rebound were Tang and Ferrer. USD wins out. Bautista inside to Abdul. Abdul puts it up and gets it to call in.
Again, nice pass by Tata Bautista. His second sharp assist of the ball game. Finding his big man at the right.
Alam mo naman yung mga referee, they're going to try to control this. Vosotros, fly by, gets it to go.
Nice fake by Almond Vosotros.
Jarek Tang knew he shouldn't have bid it, but you can't blame him.
Dapat tumalon. You can go up to him and challenge him. Yung tinatawag.
Trying to go to Abdul. Abdul, very productive for USD today. He's double teamed. He splits it, recovers. Sheriff. Jarek launches the three, gets it to go!
Great extra pass by Sheriff there, who has had to do it because he had the Revilla blow by him.
Revilla. Ako na naman ng USD.
And they're playing the passing lane so well defensively, talking about the Tigers.
DJ LaSalle is 1 out of 8 here in the quarter. Dang!
Look out! This guy 50 ball, and then their hustle has been winning out over LaSalle.
The focus is different. Oh, what a challenge by Vosotros on Kevin Ferrer's shot. Libre si Vosotros on the leak out. Nahuli si Ferrer.
Umangal pa siya.
Yun.
Umangal siya na he felt he was fouled. If he just went back down with his man, he probably would have denied that fast break, but easy 2 points for Vosotros there.
It's a clear out. 10 segundo na lalabi sa ating shot clock. Wala. Bautista. Tapik sa likod. Mariano. Kay Tang. Jarek Tang umatake.
Nice hesitation move there. Just a head fake that made Perkins think he was going to pull up for that 3-pointer, and he blew right by him on the base.
11 on USD. 6 on the shot clock. Abdul with 4 to shoot. Bautista with 2 to shoot. 1 second. Bautista gets it up and in.
What composure with the shot clock winding down.
Here at the Mall of Asia Arena to witness this 15-point lead na pala. Sorry kanina, bago yung break. Sabi ko 13.
Big shot for Vosotros. They badly needed that.
6 Lau and Te are on the verge with 4 personals
already.
Yes, Abdul with 3. Jarek Tang set up to Abdul.
And Perkins didn't even jump the challenge out. I don't know why. Just easily Abdul blew by Van Opsel on that perfect execution of the pick and roll.
Parang naunahan ng talon na DJ.
Nagulat na siya.
Back inside to Van Opsel. Masyado malakas. 10 to shoot. Set up to Vosotros for 3. Jason Perkins offensive rebound. Abdul playing with 3 personal fouls. Has to be careful.
That's the problem. You're not going to see him as aggressive.
3 minutes remaining in third quarter of game number 3. Tang missing. Torres pushing. Jaron asking for it. Kanina pa nga niya hinihingi.
And he knows. Abdul has 3 fouls, and Abdul is going to try to hold off committing another one at least in the fourth quarter.
LaSalle trying to make their adjustment. Aljon Mariano back in the game. Vosotros against Ferrer. Vosotros for three. Gets it to go.
And against the taller Ferrer, who had outstretched arms.
This is the LaSalle run.
They led
6 run by DLSU, DJ. Abdul trying to get the foul, no. Here come the Archers. Thomas Torres.
Nice back pass.
Gerald Teng makes it the 19-6 run.
Very composed execution of the fast break.
Jeron maneuvering. Van Oxtel. Nawala yung bola. Torres for 3. And the lead! What a run!
Wow! Just like that, LaSalle is back in the driver's seat. Pressure come fourth quarter. Because Coach Pido held off bringing back Jeric Teng. He wanted to rest him.
Ferrer trying to get the foul. Nothing given. Tapik ng bola. Sheriff!
At the buzzer.
They will view that. Let's look at that again. Sheriff shot putting it up. Way good. Clear. So that is our 7th lead change. What a game number 3, TJ.
Amazing. Unbelievable.
To LaSalle, 50-48. Patibayan na ng dibdib dito sa game 3. Ball goes back to UST. Jeric Teng sa ilalim. Tied for the 5th time in game number 3. 6. Second to shoot. And Sheriff, the smallest guy, getting the rebound. Look at the effort.
Look at that. The biggest guy on the floor stealing it from him.
Jeron Teng, umatake. Gets it up and in. Palitan na tayo dito ng punto. See a lot of players breathing heavily, TJ.
Marami ng pagod dyan, playing 90 minutes and intense minutes. Nice pass by Jeric Teng.
TJ?
Thank you, Ina. The superlative Samsung at the Book 9 line. It's PC redefined. They went back to the team game. Nice pass by Bautista again.
Pang-limang assist na yan, ito sa Bautista. And this is one.
Go back to Abdul against Van Oxtel. Double team on Karim. Karim finding Bautista. Bautista, fly-by move. No. Mariano, offensive rebound. Back to Bautista. Jeric Teng steps into a 3. Gets it to go.
All day to shoot that one. And this is a luxury at this stage to lead by 5 the way that ball game has been going the last 5 minutes.
59-54. ABO is asking, begging for it. Double team on him. Jeron attacking his brother. And a 3-point play opportunity.
Oh, but he's hurt.
Jeric is
cramped.
Jeric actually surprised.
It's cramped for Jeron. Good rotation. Jeric did the right thing. He had to rotate to that kick out pass to Jeron.
Pilitin, ano? Pure Foods still have some play. Pure Foods crisp and juicy. Again, they're trying to force feed Van Oxtel. Vosotros gets away from Jeric Teng. Sidesteps, sets up Jeron Teng. Ooh, misses the gimme. Offensive rebound. Boy, this kid is strong.
Well, we did say it's one thing or
Out already in how to handle the one who
we're not
loses
even
today.
Perkins. Wow, they overplayed that inbound play.
Putting it out. 68 seconds remaining in season 76. Jeron Teng.
What a move!
What a move! Big boy move! Big time play! With 63 seconds, he gives LaSalle the lead. A play being called by Coach Juno. They want Jeron Teng to handle the ball.
Tabla panalo na lang ito. It's overtime or win. Take it with 3 or 2 seconds to go.
You dream about this all your life. Jeron Teng gets away.
Oh!
Throws it away.
And that's a lot of time to go for UST to follow.
This again, DJ, as Coach Pido. Look at the tongue is out. Jeron and Kevin Ferrer obviously going at each other.
And Van Oxtel was open. He just didn't expect the pass to be that high. Jeron wanted him to jump for it with the lane open.
Nail biter here. Tabla panalo para sa UST.
But Jeron denied Abdul the ball.
Aljon asking for a clear out.
Wala pang field goal.
Aljon
For the
puts
win.
it up. Oh!
Wow, what guts for the guy who's been struggling. And Coach Pido an opening if they just skip that pass.
Oh!
Malakas yung pasa ni Jerry.
Abdul was rushing towards it. Thomas picks it up. Pinilit. Oh, and the pickup by Vosotros. Breaks of the game.
Hustle plays.
Mariano will trigger. They attack right away underneath. Pereira underneath. That's
There
a
you go.
great inbound play.
Kanina pa natin hinahanapin para sa UST yung height advantage.
To Jeric Teng, who's up against Vosotros. They want to take advantage of the Vosotros matchup.
It's finally something different. Kanina they just kept going to Abdul.
Oh, what a shot!
Huge shot!
The Tengs are delivering in this game, and this time it is Jeric's turn.
He made the stop defensively, and he made...
No help.
Yep.
They're going to
That's
Geron.
different, huh?
No help.
That's different. They've been helping all game long. Here's a switch. He was forced to switch. Talk about Mariano.
And Geron
Could have been a three-point play.
will take free throws, and what a way.
But look at this. Vosotros is on the bench right now.
Because this is going to be a defensive lineup.
A defensive play for them.
Pero 5 points. 7 of 8 from the free throw line for the second-year player.
Oh!
Misses the big one. Aljon tracks down the loose ball.
But he
Oh!
throws it away!
Aljon Mariano.
Wow! No need to throw it that far out.
To 2.7 ang ating differential game clock, shot clock. 1 point lead for USD. Jeron out to Vosotros. Vosotros lumapit ng bahagya.
Bang!
Lamang ang Lasal.
No timeouts for USD. This is winning time for them. Coach Pido said it. Whatever happens, they'll have a shot for the win.
70-69. It's down to one last shot. Abdul takes it. No. And it's a foul on a USD player. On the floor because he didn't get the ball.
Yep. And look at his brother, Jeron. And what about up?
What about the decision of Vosotros to draw closer?
Yep. Elena Villaboom is scoreless today. 0 for 7. Has not been to the free throw line all game long. But since the first.
This epic showdown is down to 9.1 seconds. Juno begging for one stop. LA misses the free throw. Abdul with the rebound.
Pereira's open. Abdul sees it. He wants to go all the way. He's going to go all the way.
It stays with USD with 2.3. Knockout play ba tayong makikita rito? They go to Karim.
For the
Shoots
win.
the 3. No.
Wow.
And Lasal wins season 76 of the UAP. Coach Juno Soler has done what Coach Pido Arencio did in 2006. Win in his rookie season. USD, what a year for them. They faced 3 elimination games this year. But they came up short here in game number 3.